The Cerritos Library is proud to participate in Youth Capture the Colorful Cosmos. The program teaches students about astronomy and promotes understanding of technology and proficiency in real scientific research skills. In the Cerritos Library's high-tech lab, youngsters learned how to control micro-observatory robotic telescopes over the internet and take photos of the universe. The students photographed the cosmos using telescopes owned and maintained by the Harvard Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics. Participants then used special software to create colorful artwork from their astrophotos. The students' fantastic artwork was displayed in a special exhibit in the Cerritos Library.
Oh, well, it's a class for taking pictures of space things like galaxies, planets, stars, stuff like that. And it's really interesting, and you can use a Photoshop type of program, and you can change the colors because it originally comes in black and white when you take pictures of it in the telescope. So yeah, and it's really fun and interesting.
And so what we do is we have different color panels, such as fire, ice, or even red color panel, and that's how we get colors like these. The trick to using this is really focusing on a detail that you want and trying to find the color panel / filter that really suits it.
For this one, I changed the Milky Way to the fire filter, and for the Crab Nebula, I changed the filter to the ice filter. And for this one, I did a stack. I put different colors like red, green, and blue and shaded their images.
For this one, I took a picture of the sun and I inverted the colors so it'd be blue and green. And I really like that one because the colors are really bold, so they contrast with each other very nicely.
I think we add a little more color to it. Yeah, on the pictures, we were doing something about these.
With this one, I kind of played around with it because I actually had to try a lot of times to try to get something different than most people would usually have. And I was just kind of playing around with it, and then I got these layers. And then I think I inverted it, and it had this really interesting type of ring, so I wanted to save that picture, so I guess they used it, and I called it the onion moon because it has all that layers, like onions.
Students in the Cerritos Library's Youth Capture the Colorful Cosmos program created artwork featuring stars, galaxies, nebulas, the moon, and the sun. Youth Capture the Colorful Cosmos is funded by the Smithsonian Institution's Youth Access Grants Program, awarded by the Office of the Assistant Secretary for Education and Access. The project is led by the Smithsonian Astrophysical Observatory in partnership with Smithsonian Affiliations. Smithsonian Affiliations is a national outreach program that develops long-term collaborative partnerships with museums and educational and cultural organizations to enrich communities with Smithsonian resources. The Cerritos Library is proud to be a Smithsonian affiliate. The Cerritos Library will offer future Youth Capture the Colorful Cosmos programs. For more information, call 562-916-1349.